Hello friends, I'm Himanshu, your nutritionist at home. Thanks a lot for visiting our YouTube channel. Thank you. Friends, these days we are getting lots of questions about calories. What are the calories? What are the requirements? How we can lose our weight with the help of calories? So friends, calories are nothing else, just measurement of energy. And as you all know that energy is required for every possible function of our body, and energy is calculated in two ways. One is kilocalories and another one is kilojoule. So most of the healthcare providers these days calculate energy in kilocalories, and normal persons they say just calories. So, what are the requirements of calories? Friends, as per Indian Council of Medical Research, a normal adult from sedentary lifestyle requires 2320 kilocalories every day. So, for females are concerned, they should consume 1900 kilocalories every day, who is from sedentary lifestyle. Now, how to lose weight with the help of calories? So, as per science, if you are aiming towards losing weight up to 2.5 kgs in a month, you have to deduct 500 kilocalories from your diet every day. And if you are aiming towards losing weight up to 5 kgs in a month, you have to deduct 1000 kilocalories every day from your diet. So let's talk about calculations. If you are a female and you are aiming towards losing weight up to 5 kgs in a month, so as per science, your actual requirement is 1900 kilocalories, and you are aiming towards losing weight up to 5 kgs in a month. You have reduced 1000 kilocalories from your diet. So your daily day's requirement would come somewhere around 900 to 1000 kilocalories every day, and you have to consume this from your diet. So friends, this would be based on science and easy. If you are a male and you are aiming towards losing weight up to 2.5 kgs in a month, your actual requirement is 2320 kilocalories every day from your diet. You have deducted 500 kilocalories from your diet. Your amount of calories would come to 1820 kilocalories from diet. That would be every day, and that would help to lose weight up to 2.5 kgs. Friends, if you are looking towards more weight loss in a month, let's say 10 kgs, 15 kgs, 20 kgs in a month, this wouldn't be practical, and that it won't be as per science, because thing is, you can lose weight, there won't be any kind of problem, but the thing is, you are aiming towards excess amount, and for that you have to cut down excess amount of calories. So that would be problematic, and it won't be easy, and it won't be practical as well, because the thing is, you have to cut down excess amount of calories, and that would come with lots of inevitable health problems such as letharginess, poor energy level, poor immune system, poor skin, constipation, and electrolyte imbalance, vitamin and minerals deficiencies, in females menstrual irregularities, muscle loss, hair loss, and various others. So friends, in our opinion, please go towards science, go towards healthy weight loss, science-based weight loss. That would be easy, nutritious, and that would run in long way. But if you have lost excess amount of weight in a month and that is not as per science, the lost weight would bounce back. And inevitable health problem would also come with the excess amount of weight loss. So friends, these are all about calories. These are the things as per science and as per books. So we believe you must have enjoyed this session. And if you have enjoyed this, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any kind of question, please write to us at info@thinkyou.in, or you can visit our website www.thinkyou.in. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.